Deep within the modern agricultural frontier, an unprecedented fusion of high technology and livestock management has quietly taken root. Designed to maximize efficiency, these sprawling glass biospheres redefine how we perceive animal welfare and large-scale husbandry. Inside these climate-regulated havens, prize-winning livestock thrive in carefully engineered microclimates, shielded from the unpredictability of nature. Monitored from above by automated surveillance, every square meter of this biofacility operates with clockwork precision. A sanctuary of comfort, where advanced hydration channels and cooling misters maintain an optimal environment around the clock. As day transitions to dusk, the facility transforms into a luminous network of automated productivity and care. At the heart of the complex lies the control hub, where artificial intelligence constantly evaluates the health metrics of every animal. Non-invasive diagnostics track temperature, heart rate, and metabolic data instantly, ensuring proactive care before any issue arises. Beyond agriculture, this integrated ecosystem unlocks raw organic materials of exceptional quality, processed with industrial exactness. Every byproduct is transformed into luxury commodities, blending sustainable sourcing with high-end craftsmanship. The final result: an exclusive fusion of modern luxury, redefining the boundaries of sustainable design. Nutrition is meticulously tailored, dispensed through automated systems designed to optimize growth and health. The architecture itself acts as a living organism, balancing airflow, temperature, and spatial harmony. As night falls over the plains, the facility continues its silent, autonomous vigil over the future of agriculture. Efficiency and transparency merge seamlessly, offering a clear window into next-generation farming. A cycle built on precision, where every phase transitions smoothly from biological care to material excellence. Even daily comfort is automated, providing natural stimulation and hygiene management on demand. Here, the journey of raw transformation begins, setting a new benchmark for industrial innovation and luxury goods. With surgical precision, the raw material is sectioned, separating elements destined for heavy structural components from those bound for delicate accessories. Only the purest sections pass inspection, judged against strict criteria for density, pattern uniformity, and natural grain structure. Subjected to intense heat and controlled pressure, the rigid material softens, allowing masters to mold it into complex organic shapes. Sudden thermal quenching locks the molecular structure in place, granting the finished components exceptional durability and strength. Computer numerical control takes over, carving patterns of breathtaking complexity, with tolerances measured in microns. No flaw escapes notice. Every piece is verified at a microscopic level to ensure absolute structural perfection. Following fabrication, the components enter a curing phase, stabilizing under controlled ultraviolet wavelengths.
The final polish transforms a rough, natural byproduct into a lustrous, high-gloss surface that rivals precious gemstones.
Hand-finished with natural oils and waxes, each piece acquires a unique depth, ensuring no two luxury items are ever identical. Laser-guided precision ensures minimal waste while maximizing the integrity of the natural grain. Master saddlers combine traditional hand-stitching techniques with modern reinforcement, ensuring lifetime durability.
The convergence point, where the polished horn components meet premium leather, forming the signature hardware of the collection.
A subtle stamp of authenticity marks the culmination of hours of meticulous labor and design. Before leaving the facility, every item undergoes a rigorous multi-point inspection to meet elite global standards. Technology meets heritage, creating protective accessories that offer both uncompromising function and timeless style. Encased in sustainable packaging, the products are prepared for their journey to high-end boutiques across the globe. From ethical livestock management to masterclass artisan production, this facility sets a new standard for luxury manufacturing. An extraordinary synthesis of nature, science, and uncompromising human craftsmanship. Redefining the future of sustainable luxury, where excellence is not just a goal, but a living tradition. With production complete, the distribution network activates, ensuring swift and secure transit to global markets. Every shipment is electronically authenticated, maintaining an unbroken chain of custody from origin to flagship store. Protected against environmental shifts, the precious cargo embarks on its journey across international borders. Connecting remote craftsmanship hubs with elite metropolitan boutiques worldwide. Arriving in elite-style capitals, the pieces are carefully unpacked for discerning clientele. Exhibited like fine art, each item showcases the unmistakable fingerprint of nature fused with human mastery. A testament to evolutionary durability, transformed into an accessory of timeless elegance. The response from the market confirms a growing appetite for transparency, sustainability, and absolute quality.
When touch meets perfection, the narrative of the material comes alive in the hands of the wearer.
Passing the torch of knowledge, the facility also serves as an academy for the next generation of master craftspeople. Perfection cannot be rushed. It is forged through years of patience, discipline, and respect for raw materials. Education and innovation remain the twin pillars supporting this revolutionary industrial ecosystem. Operating with a net-zero carbon footprint, the complex proves that high-end manufacturing can harmonize with the environment. Advanced nanotreatments protect the organic leather against the elements, ensuring longevity across all climates. Rigorously tested against extreme impacts, style is never achieved at the expense of protection. A repository of excellence, documenting the evolution of design iterations over decades of innovation. Under the quiet watch of the stars, the cycle of care and creation continues uninterrupted. From the first breath of life within the domes to the final touch of luxury in a metropolitan boutique, this is modern mastery. Redefining luxury, sustainability, and craftsmanship for a new era. Sustainability forms the bedrock of this operation, entirely powered by adjacent renewable energy grids. Intelligent collectors optimize energy capture throughout the day, ensuring zero carbon emissions across the entire supply chain. Water is a precious resource here. Closed-loop filtration systems recycle and purify every drop with clinical exactness. Constant telemetry ensures that the hydration provided to the livestock meets pharmaceutical-grade standards of cleanliness. From soil to feed trough, every component of nutrition is cultivated and controlled on-site. Proactive health management relies on tailored nutritional supplements administered at precisely timed intervals. Zero waste, total recycling, and absolute preservation of surrounding natural resources.
Transparency extends to the public, offering educational tours that demystify modern ethical husbandry.
Inspiring the next generation to understand the delicate balance between advanced science and traditional stewardship. Innovation never sleeps. Design teams constantly prototype new applications for organic materials. Rapid prototyping bridges the gap between raw organic potential and market-ready luxury aesthetics. Extreme stress testing ensures that every innovative design can withstand the rigors of everyday modern life.
Even the unboxing experience is engineered for sustainability, using plant-based inks and biodegradable molded fibers.
A shining beacon of architectural ingenuity, glowing softly against the evening landscape. Autonomous security systems ensure absolute safety for the facility and its valuable inhabitants around the clock. All systems report optimal efficiency, maintaining a seamless balance between nature and high technology. A masterpiece born from meticulous care, ethical standards, and uncompromising design. Honored globally for pioneering a new paradigm in luxury manufacturing and agricultural welfare, where the raw power of nature meets the pinnacle of human artistry, the ultimate evolution of luxury. As the final logistics dispatch begins, every delivery is orchestrated with absolute computational precision, ensuring complete security and pristine condition upon arrival at high-end destination boutiques worldwide. The journey from Biodome Sanctuary to global storefront completes its seamless cycle. A model of modern efficiency, proving that innovation can coexist with absolute respect for nature. Exhibited in premier retail capitals, the collection stands as a monument to modern craftsmanship. Every piece tells a story of ethical stewardship, material purity, and elite design. Where functional design meets uncompromising luxury aesthetics. Capturing the attention of global markets and redefining the future expectations of luxury.
Designed to endure, built to inspire, and styled to command presence.
An essential companion for those who navigate the world with purpose and distinction. Continuous research and development ensure the facility remains at the absolute cutting edge of agricultural tech.
Protecting heritage through science, maintaining optimal health metrics across all generations.
A fully autonomous ecosystem that prioritizes animal welfare above all else. Operating on 100% renewable power, setting a new environmental benchmark for industry. A legacy of innovation that continues to write the future of sustainable luxury goods. As evening descends, the biodomes transition into a quiet, illuminated sanctuary of life and art. From the first spark of life to the final masterpiece, this is the pinnacle of modern creation, the ultimate expression of nature, science, and luxury. Welcome to the future.